God, dude, it's pissed and it's big.
Yo, come with us to find an engine for this new project we got. Nissan Hardbody. This thing's sweet. She's locked up. Follow us to the graveyard. Click the blinking red icon. Come see what we got. I have stumbled across a gem. SC300.
Hold on. Oh, fucking possum. Oh, God, dude, it's pissed and it's big.
There's a possum in there.
Oh, my God.
You slammed the fucking hood down.
I know, I'm sorry.
You gotta go pop the hood. If I'm opening the hood, you gotta pop it.
The thing was just hissing, dude.
I mean, it's just scared, dude.
Me too. Come on, little possum.
Lucy!
All right.
Hey, this is a solid body. Cool.
I'm not hurting it now. I've lost weight. We'll get the aerial view. I'm like a drone. You can't open it from the hood and you're gonna... Oh yeah, good idea. Don't cave the hood in.
Dude, I'm trying to do that. Look at the front end. I love that.
It's an ugly ass car.
No, it's not. It's not be a good idea. I'm stuck. I think I might have shut the damn hood back.
You better not have. If you did, you have to go over there and open it. He's right there.
Right here?
Yep.
I think I feel it.
See, I don't know if it'll run out of there or
Jump at me.
if it has babies, it may not leave.
And what do we do?
I mean, just open the hood. You done,
Let me do some cleaning here.
you done closed it, ain't you?
I don't know. I think I did. Oh. But dude, this is what we got to do. It's going to be the story of getting us a 2JZ.
I know. We got to have this thing.
All right. Second one. I'm doing it for the boys. Why the fuck are we scared of a possum?
We're not. You are.
Staying the one standing on top of the Oh, God.
I'm not scared at all.
I ain't scared.
I figure you probably had your rabies shots. You've got thicker clothes on. He ain't gonna bite through all that shit.
But I'm naked under it.
As long as he don't climb you, that's gonna be the problem.
Well, you know what?
If he climbs up your leg or something.
I'll fucking body slam myself, dude.
I can't wait to see this. You're good to open the hood. I done it twice.
There's turds everywhere.
Yeah, it's rats. It's deep under there. If it wasn't pissed before, it is now.
That's what fucking sure, but we gotta do this. I gotta have some chicken.
You gotta have some damn confidence.
You got some what?
Confidence. Be confident. I'm over here to boost you up. Lucy! The possum dog is right there.
Lucy!
Got a treat for you, babe. She's going the other way.
Ah, what a dog. Where's the other?
She wouldn't help you none either.
She'd be up there with you.
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
If you step on the hood, you're probably going to close it. I think in the back of the Mazda is the best bet. That'll probably keep him from attacking you. As long as there's nothing in the Mazda. I'm impressed. You're going for it.
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh God, dude, what if?
Did you open the hood?
I opened the hood.
Flat?
In the middle.
Alright.
The possum is on the right side. Did you break your hand? Oh my God.
Damn. Ow. Alright, damn, I'm gonna hurt my damn self for being stupid.
You don't have a weapon.
I don't know where the damn thing is.
Just do it fast. No, not that fast. He's not going to bite you right there. He might just touch you with his fingers. You got to put your hand under there a little bit.
Dude, it's the fear of not knowing.
I opened it. You know there's a possum there. That's why you're fearful.
I didn't see it. You did.
You're fearful because you know he's there.
Alright, let's go. Come on down. Hang on, dude, I can't feel the hedge.
You got to pick up, dude. I don't think he can reach you all the way over there. You got radiator and all kind of shit right there. As soon as you pull the handle, just throw the hood up.
I don't feel a fucking hood. Lucy!
She's close. Come on, possum dog. Just do it. You get it?
No.
Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Open it.
Dude, that's a fucking JZ.
Open it. You see the possum?
Yeah.
Really?
Lucy! Here. Can they jump?
I don't know, bud. Oh, is he leaving?
Yeah.
Tell me if he comes towards me, bud.
Yeah.
I don't really mess with animals. It is. It says it right there on the side.
Oh my God, we found a
2JZGE. Junkyard find, son. Possum protected. Possum is the protector. Dude, and it looks in crazy good shape to be a possum living in it. What we gonna put it in?
I don't think there ain't nothing wrong with it. I don't think we should waste it in the 240. I mean, not 240, but the hard body.
I don't think so either.
I don't know.
We got it though.
We gotta get this car out of here. Found the holy grail, son. The junkyard. JZ.
Possum dog. Get it, Lou. Get it, Lou. It's a shame it's got rained down.
Huh?
It's a shame the interior's been rained down. It's an overall pretty nice car, really, body-wise. We should see how many miles is on it. Where did the possum go? Under the car?
Back and under the car. You're good, dude.
To open the door?
Yeah.
That's where he's going to be.
I don't know.
Where's he going to be?
All the way in the back. Lucy's about to find his ass.
Hopefully.
Dude. I was not ready to come out here and find that.
No, what were we trying to look at? Oh, we were about to look at that Pathfinder that's not a Pathfinder. It's a Honda.
Holy shit, it is, ain't it?
And then we just pulled up and seen this SC300. Or you did.
I mean, everybody likes the 2JZ, but the turbo version, I mean, hell, it's a 2JZ. You can't hate it.
No, we're going to turbo it. Hopefully it's not got a rod sunk through the block or something. There's a reason it's here.